The map illustrates global population density across different regions of the world. Darker shades represent areas with higher population density, while lighter shades indicate lower density. Highly populated regions are mainly seen in South Asia, East Asia, and parts of Europe. Countries like India, China, and Japan show very high density levels. In contrast, regions such as Australia, Canada, and parts of Africa have lower population density. These areas are more sparsely populated compared to others. In conclusion, population distribution is uneven, with most people concentrated in Asia and Europe.
The image shows a woman working on a laptop in a comfortable indoor setting. She is sitting on a sofa and wearing headphones, which suggests she may be attending an online class or meeting. There are papers, a notebook, and a cup placed on the table, indicating that she is studying or working. The environment looks relaxed and organized, with a modern living room setup. Overall, the image represents a person focusing on work or study from home. In conclusion, it highlights the concept of remote learning or working in a comfortable environment.
The diagram shows the stages involved in the life cycle of a plant. It begins with seeds, which germinate and grow into a mature tree over time. The tree then produces buds, which gradually develop into flowers. These flowers further transform into fruits that contain seeds inside them. After ripening, the fruits release seeds into the environment. These seeds again grow into new plants, continuing the natural cycle. In conclusion, the diagram clearly explains how plants grow, reproduce, and maintain their life cycle continuously.
The diagram shows how to increase brain power by comparing two individuals. One side represents an unhealthy lifestyle, including junk food and poor habits. The other side highlights a healthy lifestyle with fruits, vegetables, and balanced nutrition. It also includes activities like reading, exercise, and maintaining a positive routine. These healthy habits help improve memory, focus, and overall brain performance. In conclusion, the diagram emphasizes that a healthy lifestyle leads to better brain power. The diagram illustrates the development of an oxbow lake in two stages. In stage A, the river forms a curved bend known as a meander, and a narrow neck is created. In stage B, erosion and deposition occur, where sand and silt block the neck. As a result, a new straight channel is formed, and the old bend gets cut off. This cut-off section becomes an oxbow lake. Overall, the diagram explains how river movement leads to the formation of an isolated water body.
All answers are in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more PTE practice.